Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCLP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $6.95. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.95, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, which so far so good, that would certainly be a big sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, so this certainly assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as that price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $6.95, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? As far as the initial level, and I'm not sure has the price, yeah, it actually did get above there, so that's a nice little sign. So overall, next level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right up here around $7.35, and that's coming from back here on November 2nd. So nice overall move today, like I said, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. But yeah, definitely a nice move, and still a couple of days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.